안녕 친구들, CNG 왔어. Hi guys, so I'm going to be using my scream jar here for vocab practice. So I've got this at Disney World. I thought it was super cute, but it's from like the Monsters Inc. movie. So each time you open up the jar, it makes a little screaming sound like it's filling up with screams. It's super cute. So right now I'm just cutting up some paper so that I can put some vocab topics on there. But what I already have a list of topics that I'm going to use. Right here I'm trying to make all the paper the same size. And now that you got your paper all cut, you can go ahead and start writing your topics on each of the little pieces of paper. I'm not really sure. I didn't count how many topics I made. I just kept cutting paper and writing topics because you can always come up with new things to talk about and create. So ideally what I want to do, I'm going to actually demonstrate how I use this at the end, but I just create different types of topics. Most of them are pretty general so that you can create sentences and just practice everything from that section. But if you do want to challenge yourself, you can try to make some specific topics. This way it kind of forces you to dig a little bit deeper for your practice. Okay, so I finished writing all of the topics down on here, but I realized my jar was too full, so it wasn't going to work for shaking it, so I can like mix up the topics each time I pull out a new one. So I went back and refolded them one more time just so it's just a little bit smaller, and I got rid of excess paper I was putting in there to make the jar look fuller because I realized that wasn't necessary with all the paper and topics I already had. Now the jar has enough space for it to shake. Okay, and so after you shake and pull out your topic, I pulled out emotions for this one. So you can just write vocab words that you already know or vocab words that you want to look up and find definitions for. Or you can try writing sentences, or if you want to write a poem or some kind of other writing thing to help you practice using vocab words that you either already know or vocab words that you're trying to learn. So here I did a little bit of both. I did some words that I already knew, and then other ones I was like, you know what, let me learn some new emotions. So I tried picking some difficult emotions that I wouldn't normally just describe and try to translate those into Korean. And then I would go back and reread and practice them and see how they sound. And usually I do about maybe like a few minutes each day of picking a topic and going through some words. This way it can kind of help for me to even just practice the vocab I already know, and so I can remember them. Anyway, thanks you guys for watching my video. I hope this helps. Maybe you can make your own jar. Let me know how it works for you.